Gas liquid chromatography is a powerful instrument that's used in both industry and academia to analyze mixtures of components. Like other chromatography that we've learned, you need a stationary phase and a mobile phase. So I'm going to go through the different parts of the gas chromatograph instrument and then show you how you inject a sample for analysis. The stationary phase on a gas chromatogram is a liquid support on a column. So I'm going to open up the instrument and show you the capillary column, which is where the sample is injected and goes through. So in this capillary column, there's a high boiling polysilicon that serves as the stationary phase for our separation. The mobile phase in gas chromatography is an inert gas, and in this case the inert gas is helium, which is flowing through the instrument at all times. The other parts of the instrument are the injection port. This is where we're going to put our sample. The sample goes through and is actually split because you only need very, very small amounts of material for analysis with this highly sensitive instrument. It flows through the column, and then what you're not seeing in this box here is the detector that will record each compound or component as it exits the instrument. All right, now to inject a sample, you only need micrograms of material, even less, for analysis. So you want to take, for example, a drop of a liquid and dilute it with 20 drops to get a 2 to 5% solution. We're then only going to inject 1 microliter of this solution onto the instrument. So we have a 10 microliter syringe, right? And you're going to pull up a little air and then pull up just 1 microliter of your sample, and again pull in some air. Because the detection is so sensitive, we then want to wipe off the outside of the syringe to make sure there's no excess on the needle. You want to make sure that the instrument says ready, so you can say prep run and it's now ready. And now we want to place our sample through a septum in the injection port. And this needs to be done in one fluid motion. You want to hold the syringe and use one finger to rest on the plunger so that if it hits the hot injection port, it doesn't pop out. You then place it using both hands on top of the injection port, and with one motion push down through the septum, push in the plunger, pull out, and push start. You never want to partially add the needle through the septum, stop on the way, or hold it in there for long. So as you saw me do, push in, push the plunger in, take it out, and your spectrum will be recorded.